Oh, they've done one lap around the car park. That's the warm up. Excellent. Now let's hit this 13-kilometre hill. See the hill up there, the top of it? Nah. We're going to do about 4 of those. Keep your eye out for an Oaky Creek Road. Should be on your right in 10 metres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, all right, good, thanks. I'm glad you found it.
As I told you that I've still got my thermal top on for the dawn service this morning. Camelback Road. Here we go.
Oh, around the corner we go uphill again. Up this hill. Unlike that hill. Because that hill wasn't big enough.
I'm just going to walk up to the gate.
I'm going to ride to the gate. I'm going to bunny hop it on the way up. Here goes. I'm going to go it. I'm going to do it.
Jump! Jump!
Did I get over it?
No.
Oh.
Alright, this could be the 17%er.
I think it is. Right, I'm making an assessment. I know where I'm going to go on this one. Good luck, David.
You gotta ride the first section. Or not.
We've got a Pago in our hand.
Woo! Alrighty. I think this is the walking section. The 17%er. Times like these that I'm thankful I'm wearing a thermal.
Is that thermal helping?
It is.
To stay warm or cool?
Cool.
Right?
I think it's hanging on to about 6 kilos of moisture.
Holy capola! Ah, to the top of the first hill. God, that's pretty good.
Oh, that was pretty fucking hard.
Yeah, it was hard.
Oh, there's the Tidbin Villas over there.
Yeah. That's pretty obvious. Oh, this yellow section looks red. I think we're in a forest. Right. Oh, 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 oh no. Damn it, Mick. You what? I think around the corner it's not looking good. Oh shit box. I'm almost looking straight up. No. I'm out. Go no, Mick. No, we couldn't ride this. There can't be more red sections. Jeez.
Are you having a drink? Yeah, fuck. You're going on. I thought this was it.
We need a Sherpa. And a yak. Yeah, a yak would be good. Ah! Can't see. Too sweaty. I'm going for it. I can't see. Ah. Oh, Cock City. I'm off. Oh. Oh. Well.
Can't talk. Must breathe. I think we can ride from here. Time 3 completed. What my computer said.
Oh wow. Where's up there? That's the said same camel hump. That's it. Around this undulation now.
Oh, look at this.
Summit! The high point!
Well, here we are. Over there, what's that? Nature reserve over there?
Alright, well let's congratulate ourselves with a snack.
Oh, well
Should we do it? Oh, well done.
Good job, good job.
No, good job, yeah. Can I say, however, the times where you bailed out up on those hills, I think you need to do a bit more training.
I do.
Honestly.
Soft cockitis I had.
Bloody terrible.
I don't think I was ready for this ride.
Neither was I.
No.
It doesn't mean there's no more hills, but it's... Nice! Stopping! What? No. Not true. And stick. That's it. Apparently that's only good for 2 kilometres. It's cold in here. Says there's climbs coming up. Bikes, have a bit of fun by yourselves. We'll be back in a little while. No. Oh, that's
A
not.
whole packet of Allen's fucking lollies.
What's the use by date?
Well, I've only just been open. They smell pretty good.
I think someone left them for us. What's the use by date?
Probably alright, actually.
January 20th, 23. They're good to go. Huh? They've been left here for us, mate. Good to go. Oh. No, Mick. Bit John Wayne-ish.
Look out number 2.
Unbelievable. How good is this? Those buildings, we're heading downhill now to them. That'd be a bit of fun, won't it?
I think we're nearly.
At the summit. Oh, that. No. Pink tape, we're good. I'm coming up to the summit. This could be the can of the Camel's Hump. I think it is. No, Mick, there you go. How long have you been here?
2 or 3 years now.
Be aware, it's essentially downhill from here.
thinking that that way could have been just as fucked.
Corner! What are you doing down there? Oh, you little prickles! Oh, hang on, I'll pull your bike off you. I can't stop laughing.
No, I didn't have my camera on.
How good was that? You just did that deliberately, didn't you?
No.
It's going. That was a classic Mick going through a corner. He just literally disappeared. He went straight off the edge. That was the best. That was one of your best corners. See the sun? See the junction? That is it.
No, I'm fucking
I think we're both.
I'm shagged.
We've got 400 metres to the final turn off. We're having snakes as emergency rations.
And
We're
Mick's
shagged.
peeing in his pants.
Because
Because he can't get off his bike.
Oh.
And it feels good.
See the big hill up there behind us? We're up the top of that today. How did we get up there?
And that was only half the hill.
Oh God.
So what you're saying is it's all downhill from that sunlight. Let's go.
Hang on. Here's the bike you're shagged. They've been refreshed by the snakes.
Been refreshed, had my pee, and good to go.
Let's go. The corner where it all started. Camelback Trail. I just can't leave it. We've finally got back to where we started 5 hours ago. Time to go home.
Paddy's River. And where is neighbour Phil?
Come on, neighbour Phil. Come on, neighbour Phil. Come on, neighbour Phil.
Woo! That was a cracking downhill.
There we go.
We have arrived back at the truck.
Thank God. And it was a great ride. We got beers to go and a ride post-mortem.
Okay.
Was that looking?
You blow my mind, yeah. Through space and time, baby. You blow my mind, it's crazy. You blow my mind. Through space and time.